Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record your PowerPoint presentation so that you can present or provide some kind of product that is presentation type while we are doing online courses. So there is one option where you can add audio recordings to specific slides, but if you want it to be more of a video recording, then I would recommend that you use Zoom. You will need to open up your PowerPoint, and I think that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and begin. The first thing you want to do is log into Zoom. So log into your CSUMB email, and once you're in your dashboard, you're going to click on this little arrow so that it hides and shows different apps that are free to you. So I'm going to click on Zoom. Once I click on Zoom, I need to either create a brand new meeting, or I can go ahead and I'll just pick one. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on Start. It'll ask me to open up the Zoom meeting. Once it's open, I'm going to join with computer audio. I'm going to open up my screen, and the first thing you want to do after you log on to Zoom is you want to open up the PowerPoint presentation. So I already have it open, the one that I'm going to be using for this video. So I have it open. I'm going to minimize it. Once the file is open, you're going to click on, if you follow my circled mouse, you're going to click on Share Screen. And obviously I have a bunch of things open, but I'm going to select the PowerPoint. So I click on it once and I click on Share. There you have it. You're going to notice that if it's highlighted in green, if you can see the little green outline around the video, around this screen, it means that people will only see your PowerPoint even if you're like trying to do stuff in the back, either on Word or checking your emails, whatever it is. So that was the second step. The first one is log into Zoom. The second one is open up your file and then share the screen on Zoom so that it picks PowerPoint, or you pick PowerPoint. Now what I'm going to do is while I'm here on PowerPoint, I'm going to go to Slideshow, the Slideshow tab, and I'm going to go to From Beginning. So on the ribbon, click on the From Beginning so that you can begin your presentation from the beginning, and then that's when you would begin talking. Now, notice that on the screen there is a "you are sharing." That's good. You're sharing your screen, which is good. If you feel like something just went wrong and you need to stop, then obviously click on the Stop Share button in case something's going to pop up that you think is inappropriate or scary, whatever it is. Once you are here, now it's time for you to record. So you're going to click on the More. Here it is. Come on. You kind of have to hover. Here it is. On the More options, the dot, 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 the ellipses, you're going to click on Record on this computer or Record to the cloud. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to click on Record to the cloud. Why? Because maybe you want to make sure that you have a record of it for a long time as opposed to maybe something happening to your computer. I personally like recording stuff to the computer because I like to edit it on Camtasia, which is a software that is also free to faculty, staff, and students. You just have to request it. And you can go to CAT for that, the Center for Academic Technology. So I like to record on this computer, but for this training and for this video, I'm going to record to the cloud because closed captions are included. It archives your videos. It allows you to share it with password or no password, or specifically with emails. So I'm going to click on Record to the cloud. Please note that once you select and click on one of these two options, you will immediately start recording. Okay, so make sure that all the presenters are ready so that you can begin. So once you click on Record, record to the cloud. All right, so here we see the recording. It's moving along. So this is where you begin to speak, and you click, and then you click again. And so you just go through your entire presentation. And again, if you chose to share your video, you would find your video somewhere right here, and you can actually move it to a place that you think is more appropriate. But usually you see it on the top left or right hand, somewhere where you will definitely not cover any of the words. And so I'm just going to go through this. Now, once you are done with your presentation and you get to the black screen, I suggest that you just use that time that you see the black screen to hover over the "you are sharing" green part, go to More, and go to Stop Recording. Then you'll be asked, are you sure you want to stop? And you're going to say yes. And that's it. So that's how you record. The next thing that you want to do is let's stop sharing. Okay. And you have to end the meeting in order for you to get access to the video. So unfortunately, it's kind of one of those things where if you want to review it, you have to log out. And then if you want to redo it again, you follow these same steps. Log on to Zoom, open up your PowerPoint file, share your PowerPoint file, begin the slideshow while you're on the PowerPoint file, and then record. So you just have to repeat the steps if you don't like your presentation. But let's go ahead and end the meeting. End meeting for all. Let's exit out. Okay, let's get out of this PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to close it out. I'm going to close everything that's Zoom related. Let's go to dashboard. Now I'm going to click on Zoom again as if I want to start another meeting. You're going to click on recordings. And these are all the recordings that you've made. So you can tell that I did one other video for this. I did like a dry run for this one. It's still processing. Can you believe that? Oh, actually, this one already processed. This was the one. Oh, so it seems like it already did it. So then you go to more. Let's see. You can download the file. Oh, so you still have the option to download the file, or you can just share it. So I want to make this public and I want to just share it. So I'm just going to copy sharing information. Then I'm going to go to my email, and let's say it really depends how you need to submit this link. But if you have an instructor and they want you to post it on a discussion forum, which is my case, then you can just paste the link onto that discussion forum. If they would rather that you email it to them or that you send it to on some website, go ahead. But see, that's what it looks like when you paste. So in this case, it must have been a private meeting because a passcode comes with it. So just make sure that when you copy and paste, that you paste the right information. So there you have it. And it's ready to go. So submit this information to your discussion forum, to your link, whatever it is, and you're good to go.